Have you ever wondered why AI can be both predictable and highly creative? The answer lies in a setting called temperature. Temperature is a parameter that controls how random or creative an AI model's responses will be. Think of it as a creativity dial. At low temperatures, such as 0.1 or 0.2, the AI chooses the most probable words. Responses become consistent, focused, and reliable. At higher temperatures, like 1.2 or 1.5, the AI explores less likely words. This creates more imaginative, diverse, and sometimes unexpected responses. Low temperature is ideal for coding, customer support, and factual answers. Higher temperature works better for brainstorming, storytelling, and creative content generation. Temperature doesn't make AI smarter, it changes how adventurous its word choices are. Lower means more accurate, higher means more creative. Follow for more AI concepts in 60 seconds.